Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? Do you dream of achieving financial freedom and security? Well, let me tell you, it's possible. I've met countless everyday millionaires who've taken control of their finances and built real wealth. And you know what? They're not all Wall Street hotshots. They're regular folks like you and me who understand the importance of smart saving, disciplined investing, and living a life of intention. In this video, we're diving deep into the wealth-building strategies of millionaires, sharing practical tips and actionable advice you can implement today. Get ready to transform your finances and start building a future filled with abundance. Look, you can't hit a target you can't see, right? It's the same with your money. If you don't have a clear picture of what you're working towards, a debt-free life, a comfortable retirement, early financial independence, you're just wandering around in the financial wilderness. I'm talking about getting laser-focused. Write down your goals. Make them specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Want to buy a house in 5 years? Great. Figure out exactly how much you need for a down payment, closing costs, and then break it down into monthly savings goals. This isn't about depriving yourself, it's about being intentional with your money so you can achieve your dreams. Listen, I'm not talking about living like a pauper here. I'm talking about being smart with your money. So many people fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. They get a raise and immediately upgrade their car, their house, their vacations. It's a recipe for perpetual debt and financial stress. Instead, focus on living below your means. That means resisting those I deserve it splurges and making conscious spending choices. Brew your coffee at home instead of hitting the drive-thru every morning. Pack your lunch a few times a week. Find free or low-cost ways to enjoy your hobbies. Remember, every dollar you don't spend is a dollar you can use to build wealth. You can't manage what you don't track. It's time to take control of your finances with a budget. I know, the B word can make people cringe, but a budget isn't about restriction, it's about empowerment. It's about making your money work for you instead of the other way around. Start by tracking your income and expenses for a month. Where is your money actually going? You might be surprised. Then, create a spending plan that aligns with your goals. Allocate funds for essentials like housing, food, and transportation, but also factor in savings, debt repayment, and fun money. Remember, it's your money, and you get to decide where it goes. This is the habit that will change your financial life. Before you pay your bills, before you buy groceries, before you do anything else, pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings and investment accounts. Treat it like a non-negotiable expense. Start small if you have to. Even $25 a week adds up over time. The key is to make it a habit. As your income grows, increase your savings rate. Remember, you're paying your future self, and that's the best investment you can make. You ever hear the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? That's diversification 101. When it comes to investing, you don't want to put all your money in one stock, one asset class, or even one sector. Why? Because markets fluctuate. By spreading your investments, you reduce risk. If one investment takes a hit, others can cushion the blow. The more you know about personal finance and investing, the better equipped you'll be to make smart decisions with your money. Read books, listen to podcasts, take online courses. There are countless resources available. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become in managing your money and making informed investment choices. Building wealth often requires stepping outside your comfort zone and taking calculated risks. Now, I'm not talking about gambling your money away. I'm talking about making informed decisions based on research and careful consideration. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. There will be market upswings and downswings, economic booms and busts. The key is to stay the course. Stick to your budget, keep investing regularly, and don't let emotions dictate your financial decisions. Remember, time is your greatest asset in building wealth. Stay focused on your goals, be patient, and you will reap the rewards of your discipline. You have the power to change your financial future. It all starts with making a decision to take control of your money, developing smart habits, and staying disciplined. Remember, building wealth is a journey, not a destination. There will be challenges along the way, but with each step you take towards financial freedom, you'll gain confidence and peace of mind. You've got this.